Declarative agent configuration in Pydantic AI centers on the AgentSpec class, which provides a structured schema for defining model parameters, instructions, and capabilities outside of standard Python logic. By instantiating this object and invoking the toFile method, you will be serializing the agent definition into a YAML file while simultaneously generating a companion JSON schema to enable editor auto-completion and validation.
From Pydantic AI import AgentSpec. Spec equals AgentSpec. Model equals Anthropic, Claude Opus 4.6. Instructions equals you are a helpful assistant. Capabilities equals web search. Local, DuckDuckGo. Spec to file agent YAML. Hash also generates agent schema, JSON for editor auto-completion.
The AgentSpec class implements a declarative configuration pattern, allowing you to define agent behavior, model selection, and capabilities as portable data rather than hard-coded logic. By encapsulating these settings into a structured object, you decouple the agent's definition from your application code, which facilitates easier version control and allows non-developers to manage agent configurations. The toFile method serializes this specification into a YAML file, while simultaneously generating a JSON schema for editor auto-completion. This approach significantly improves the developer experience by providing real-time validation and IDE support when editing agent definitions, ensuring that your configuration remains consistent and error-free across different environments. Let's break it down line by line.
From Pydantic AI import AgentSpec.
Imports AgentSpec from Pydantic AI to provide a model for representing agent configurations in YAML or JSON formats.
Spec equals AgentSpec.
Initializes an AgentSpec instance, which serves as a declarative container for defining an agent's configuration and properties.
Model equals Anthropic, Claude Opus 4.6.
Specifies the Anthropic Claude Opus 4.6 model as the target for the agent's operations.
Instructions equals you are a helpful assistant.
Defines a static instruction parameter for an agent, setting the system-level prompt to you are a helpful assistant.
Capabilities equals web search. Local, DuckDuckGo.
Defines a list of agent capabilities by configuring the web search tool to use the local DuckDuckGo provider.
Spec to file agent YAML.
Serializes the agent specification object to a YAML file named agent, YAML on the local file system. By adopting the AgentSpec class, you shift from hard-coded logic to a declarative configuration pattern that treats your agent's identity as portable data. The initialization of model, instructions, and capabilities creates a structured container, while the toFile method bridges the gap between your Python environment and external storage. This workflow effectively decouples your agent's definition from your application code, enabling version control and cross-team collaboration. Ultimately, the simultaneous generation of a JSON schema transforms your YAML configuration into a self-documenting interface, ensuring that your agent's behavior remains consistent, validated, and fully supported by your IDEs auto-completion tools.
One file defines the schema, yet the AgentSpec casts the entire logic across the machine to wander.